Dear student, good morning all. Today I am starting a poem. The title of the poem is The Quarrel. What is the title of the poem? What is the title of the poem? The title of the poem is The Quarrel. And this poem is composed by a poet Elena Forgian. Okay, student. Now I will read the poem. And all the students will listen it silently and carefully. Okay, student? Silently and carefully. I will read it more than one time. Okay, student? But you will have to listen it carefully, silently. Okay, student? So now I am going to read first stanza of the poem, and this stanza has 8 lines. I have divided it into 2 parts so that we can study it easily. Okay, student? I quarreled with my brother. I quarreled with my brother. I quarreled with my brother. Okay, student? Now listen it carefully and peacefully. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. I don't know what about. One thing led to another. One thing led to another. One thing led to another. And somehow we fell out. We fell out. The start of it was slight. The start of it was slight. The start of it was slight. And the end of it was strong. And the end of this was strong. He said he was right. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. I knew he was wrong. In this poem, I stand for the poet. In this poem, I stand for the poet. Okay, student? I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, and the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Same way, suppose that student you are at your home. Suppose that you are at your home. You are at your home. Suppose that you are at your home and you start quarreling with your brother or sister at any topic which was completely unknown. Means you don't know the topic of quarreling. You don't know the topic of quarreling, but you quarrel with your brother or sister. With your brother or sister. Same way, poet starts quarreling with her brother. In this poem, poet describes about the quarreling between sister and brother. Sister and brother. Okay, student? Means poet starts quarreling with her brother. Poet starts quarreling with her brother. But she does not know. Okay? But she does not know the reason of the quarreling. Why they start quarreling? They don't know the reason. They don't know the reason. Okay, student? They don't know the reason. But there is a thing between them. With which they start quarreling each other. They start quarreling with each other. And now they quarrel each other. Means quarrel takes place between sister and brother, or poet and brother in this poem. But they do not know the reason of starting of quarrel. But they don't know the reason of starting of quarreling. But they don't know the reason of starting of quarreling. They start off, it was like the end of it was wrong. Means when the quarrel starts, it runs smoothly. But when it finished, it becomes very strong. It becomes very bad. Because both do not talk each other. They became angry one another. They became angry on one another. They do not talk. Only they become angry on each other. Okay, student? So the end of the quarreling becomes very strong, means becomes very bad. Okay, student? He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Means poet's brother declares that declared that he was right, means he did not do any bad things or bad manner or any work which was out of manner. He did not do, but actually he was under mistake, according to the poet. According to the poet knew, means she knew that her brother was wrong and she was right. Okay, now I will write second stanza of this poem and then I will explain.